All right, for the factory reverse camera hookup, what I have here is a stripper and a crimper together, pair of needle nose pliers, and a lighter, torch, 3 pair of T-tab connectors, and 2 splices, 2 ring terminal, 1 hitch string, and a 16 gauge or 18 gauge wires. Got about 4 feet, and 2 of these 20 gauge wires, and an RCA video cable. Well, this head unit doesn't come with a backup camera, so it doesn't come with a RCA cable. So I got one from inside the house just for the regular RCA video cable. That's what I'm going to be using for the backup camera hookup. So as you can see, I cut this one off. This one going to be garbage. I'm going to crimp this one with these 2 T-tab terminals. Put a hitch string over here just to protect these parts. Then I'm going to terminate that into here. This cable gonna be for the reverse signal. Bring everything to the car. This one here, and this one over here. There. Alright, so you got this radio removed, this panel removed. I'm gonna show you how I tap into the factory backup camera. So we got this fuse panel removed, and I need to locate the roof wire harness connector, which is this white connector right here. I'm gonna undo it and unplug it. Pull it out. So I guess I got everything ready to go. Now time to hook up the radio. Light on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got Toyota logo. They set it up for me. 11, 12. 12 seconds. Okay, say radio. Try radio.
I want something else to get me through.
There you go. I got my reverse signal. 7 up there. That's a factory. Go back. Okay, parking brake off, on. Alright, now I'm gonna tidy up the cable, put everything back together.